How to replace the backrest cover on the Human Touch Quies massage chair. Be sure to keep all parts for reassembly. Start by turning the power switch, located on the back of the chair, to off, then unplug the chair. Remove the 4 screws securing the backrest cover to the chair, then detach the cover. Install the backrest cover by inserting the tabs on the bottom edge of the cover into their corresponding slots on the chair base, then attach the top to their corresponding fasteners on the upper backrest and secure the cover with the 4 screws previously removed.